Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with you. Open your web browser and go to the YouTube Studio website. Log into your YouTube account using your email and password. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the YouTube Studio dashboard. On the left-hand menu, locate and click on Content. Find the video for which you want to add or edit captions. Click on the video title or thumbnail to open the video details. In the video details, scroll down to find the subtitles section. Click on Subtitles to enter the caption management interface. You will see the languages available for your video. If you don't see the desired language listed, click on Add Language to select it. After selecting the language, you will be presented with options for adding captions. You can choose to upload a file, auto-generate captions, or create new subtitles manually. If you decide to upload a file, click on Upload File and select the caption file from your computer. For auto-generated captions, click on the Auto-Generate option and review the generated text for accuracy. If you choose to create new subtitles manually, click on Create New Subtitles. A new interface will open, allowing you to input captions directly. As you input captions, ensure they are timed correctly with the video audio. You can pause, play, and use the timeline to fine-tune your caption timing. After entering your captions, review for any errors or adjustments needed. Once satisfied, click on the Save button to finalize your captions. If necessary, repeat this process for additional languages. To return to the video details, click the Back button at the top left. Your captions will now be available for viewers once you publish or update the video. Check back later to ensure the captions are displaying correctly for your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.